Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. When you think of a foldable phone, you might think Samsung because of their popular Z Fold and Z Flip series, but other manufacturers are hot on their heels. Today we have the new Tecno Phantom V Fold, so let's go over its key features and see what it's all about. The Tecno Phantom V Fold brings a design that's similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. You get a full-sized front screen, then you open the device to reveal the large folding inner screen. The Tecno Phantom V Fold's front display is a 6.42-inch curved 1080p AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. It is wider than the Galaxy's, which is on the narrow side. It makes the V Fold feel more natural to use. When the Phantom V Fold is unfolded, you get a larger 7.85-inch AMOLED with a 2296 by 2000 resolution, and again a 120Hz refresh rate. That's the point of these folding phones, to give you a tablet-like form factor which can also fit in your pocket. The inner display's crease seems about par for the course for these sorts of devices. And the panels here also all use LTPO tech. They will dial down below 60Hz to save energy when you stop interacting with them. The hinge of the V Fold is supposed to be quite durable. It's rated for over 200,000 folds. Plus it folds flatter than the Z Fold 4's, leaving no gap. But on the other hand, compared to the Z Fold 4, this one doesn't seem to unfold as flat. It's worth mentioning that the Tecno doesn't stay open half-folded either, which limits some of the extra utility of the folding form factor. You also don't get stylus support here. But Tecno's HiOS 13 Fold interface does bring some nifty foldable exclusive features, like a vertical split screen. The 5000 mAh battery is larger than the Z Fold 4's, so the battery life could potentially be even better here. And the chipset of the Tecno Phantom V Fold is MediaTek's high-end Dimensity 9000 Plus. It should provide great performance for multitasking and gaming. Finally, the cameras. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel main cam, a 50-megapixel telephoto zoom, and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide cam. There are front-facing selfie cameras in the displays, but like you'd expect from a foldable phone, you have the ability to take selfies with the rear cameras too. So there you have it guys, the Tecno Phantom V Fold looks like it could be a solid foldable phone. Maybe not quite as feature-packed as the Samsung since it doesn't have stylus support, but it should be much more affordable. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next one.